Congratulations on purchasing your new graphic from Illusions. This video will show you how to properly install your graphic kit onto your vehicle. We will be walking you through all the necessary steps from start to finish. But before we get started, there's a few things to take note of. 1. It's important to note that all Illusions graphics have a 3 to 5 year durability on vertical surfaces, such as doors, side panels, and tailgates. However, on horizontal surfaces like hoods, spoilers, and roofs, you may want to remove your graphic after 1 year to ensure no permanent damage is done to your vehicle's paint or painted finish. 2. Before you prepare your vehicle for graphic installation, park your vehicle where it is out of direct sunlight. This will allow for easier installation and better end results. So let's go over what you're going to need to properly install your new graphics. Included in your graphic package, you will have a squeegee, alcoholic prep wipes, and of course your graphic. Not included items that you will need: a bottle sprayer filled with clean water, a straight edge knife or razor, masking tape, clean towels, and in case your vehicle requires a little more cleaning, an extra bottle of 70 to 90% rubbing alcohol. The most important part of any installation is prepping. Use your alcoholic prep wipes or clean towels with at least 70 to 90% alcohol. Thoroughly clean the application area, wiping the surface of the vehicle in round circular motions. The application area must be free of all dirt, grease, and wax before installation can begin. Alcohol dries pretty fast, so you may have to prep the area more than once. Go back over with a clean rag and thoroughly dry. Your vehicle is now prepped and ready for installation. Rip off a few pieces of masking tape and keep them close by. Once you have those pieces ready, lay your graphic flat on the vehicle and determine where you want the graphic to be. Once you have determined the final position of the graphic, start taping the graphic onto the vehicle and make sure to keep the graphic flat on the surface. After you have applied the tape, verify one last time that the position is where you would like it. To proceed with installation, take your masking tape and firmly tape down the center of the graphic. You can apply several pieces of masking tape to act as a partner holding the left side of the graphic as shown. Now, untape the right side of the graphic and bring it over the other half of the graphic and lay it flat on the vehicle. Pull back the liner to expose the adhesive of the graphic and place a small piece of tape onto the graphic to hold it in place. Then pull back the liner of the graphic and trim it off with a knife or razor. Apply water onto the back of the graphic and bring it back around. This is known as the hinge method. Be sure to keep tension on the graphic so it lays even and flat. Once the graphic is on the vehicle, take your squeegee and from the tape center of the graphic, work your way out using an up and down motion as shown. When you have reached the end of the graphic, start back at the center and squeegee once more using horizontal strokes. Now you can carefully untape the center of the graphic and repeat the same steps for the left side. Once again, lay the graphic over itself, remove the liner, and spray the back with water. Maintain tension and lay the graphic back on the vehicle. And from the center, squeegee using up and down motions and follow up with horizontal strokes across the graphic. At this point, we want to allow the graphic to thoroughly dry for 15 minutes. You can now repeat the same steps on the opposite side of the vehicle while this graphic dries. When trimming the ends of your rocker graphics, we recommend laying a strip of masking tape to guide yourself as you trim the edge of your graphic. Using your fingertips as guides, you want to rest your hand on the vehicle and trim the graphic 1/8 to 1/4 inch back away from the seam. Apply enough pressure to cut only the graphic and not the vehicle. Once the seam is trimmed, remove the excess. After removing the strip of masking tape, go ahead and squeegee the graphic down onto the vehicle to ensure adhesion. On all camo graphics from Illusions, there is a clear shield called a pre-mask. This clear mask must be removed in order to proceed with installation. Carefully peel back the pre-mask to the next seam and retrim the graphic. Go ahead and squeegee the graphic down onto the vehicle to ensure adhesion. Trim the graphic at all seams on the vehicle, and you will have completely installed a rocker molding graphic. Congratulations on installing your new graphics on your vehicle. We hope this step-by-step video was helpful for you, and from all of us here at Illusions Incorporated, thanks for watching.